Want to share your Shopify store but don't know where your website link is? Here's how to find it in seconds. Step 1. Log into your Shopify admin dashboard. Go to the bottom right and click on Settings. And then in Settings, find Domains. In Domains, you're going to see your Shopify link store. It usually looks like this: yourstorename.myshopify.com. Click on it, and then you can click on View. And now here you can just copy your link. Bonus tip: if your store is still password protected, go to Online Store and then on Preferences. Scroll to Password Protection and disable it so others can access it. And that's it. You now have your official Shopify website link ready to share with customers or promote online. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. And don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments. And subscribe to the channel for more quick tutorials like this one.